A duck is a bird. Now, let me tell you what you don't know. The children of a duck is called ductress. A woman that owns a duck is called duckass. And then a man that owns a duck is called Douglas. Or if he owns a dog, you can still call him Douglas. Yeah! Yes, but I want you to know the difference between a duck and a turkey. Sometimes people say that turkey have pride. You know, when they are moving, they used to do their shoulder like this, pride in. It's a lie. It is a duck that have pride. If a turkey is here now, you see it, you will do like this, and then it will make one noise. It's greeting everybody around. Are you seeing the sense inside? But a duck, when a duck is coming, it will be moving. You put his head like this and it's moving like this straight. You not even send you, it not greet anybody. That's pride. That's the highest level of pride, and it's not good. Now some people say, a duck just pass. See the past participle of a duck that pass is called ducked or ducked.
Background.